Hey boss, how are you doing today?
I am doing well. How is your day going? Are you getting lots done?
It is good. I would get more done, however, it is really hot in here. Do you think we can repair the air conditioning system anytime soon?
I will look into calling a AC repairman. We are just short on cash right now.
I can find someone that can fix it for under $300, I think.
Well, if you can, then you can call them. However, it will be coming out of your paycheck.
What? That is not fair at all.
Well, I guess you will just have to deal with the broken air conditioner for now.
Fine. I will wait for a couple more weeks. I am just glad I have a job here.